Hey, hello everybody, Robert here with more Revit Training. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. We make videos of projects that I work on, and we have basic Revit training. So here, with this project we've been working on, we did the front area of the first floor. Now we're looking at the level 1 apartments on the back end. And so far, this is going to be 1 bedroom apartments. I'll so along and finish these up. We got the second level, and what we want to look at in this exercise today, though, is we want to look at how to create custom doors. So here, I have a door family, existing family, and we want to take this family and change it into a family. We want to modify it or customize it. We want to say, we want to make it something look a little different. But it's always good to use existing families. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the family types, create 3 family types here. So I'm going to select this little new type, and I'm going to say 32 by 80 inches. And that's already set, and so okay. I want to do another type, my second type. I want to do this 36 by 80. Okay. And this has got to be 36 right here. Apply. Okay, flexing and everything. And then I want to do another type, and this is going to be the 36 by 84. Click apply, and I want to change this to 84. And apply. Okay. So now let's flex these to make sure they all work. So that's 30 by 80. Apply. Yep. The 36 by 80. Apply. And the 36 by 84. Apply. Okay. So now what we need to do here is I'm going to apply here, okay, and now I want to basically, I want to select this grill here, just select it here. I want to edit this type, because this is what we call a nested family. It's a family within a family. So I hope I covered that in some of my exercises. And now what I want to do here is, okay. Okay, now we want to rename this. We want to go into this view. Let's go into another view here. Let's go into our elevation view, front view. Okay. And now what I want to do here is I want to save this family. I'm going to save this as family. And I'm going to call this, okay, there you go. I'm going to call this grill square. So we just add square on into this. And we'll save it. Options here, you can go to one if you want. So, and we'll save that. So now this is door grill square. This is what this family is going to be renamed this family to. So now we want to get in here and just start cleaning up. So here, we want to delete these reference planes and symbols or everything associated with that. So we'll delete that. Okay, now we want to grab our dimensions here and make these equal. Okay, now let's go into our family types dialog box here. And where we have this glazing width here, And glazing height, I want to take the height out. And I want to go and copy this one, the width, and Control C, and go here and Control V, and apply it. Okay, so you see the adjustment there? Actually, I'm gonna go, okay, this is out too. I don't want this in here. This goes. Okay. So now, we want to save this once again. Okay, now I want to load this. I want to load the grill family into the door family. All right. So let's go load into project. That one there. Go OK. So now it's in here, and now you want to click modify here. Okay. Okay, so we want to select this now. We're going to go into our properties, and I want to change this to the door square grill, this one. Okay. I think we can do that other one too. Well, I'm going to leave that there for now because I don't know why. Okay, let's select this one as well. And the door square grill. All right. So now let's go back into our okay, so now I want to go back into the front view. Let's go into the front view here. Nope, not that view. For the door. Okay, let's go, let's window tile these so we can see what's going on here. Get a little confusing, I know. So that's the door. So here, I want to go into this front view. Project browser, elevation, exterior. Okay, so let's tab these views again. Okay, so now we have the door here. And right here we have this, what I want to do here, I want to select, I want to show you, I want to go here and I want to align and lock these up here. So where it says railing, okay, I want to align, and so this want to go here, modify, align. So I'm going to align this to this and lock it. Okay. And now, okay, I see what happened here. This is what's going on. So I want to delete this one here. I want to just delete this. And then I want to create another one here. I want to create another parameter from here down to here. Is that the one I want? Yeah. Okay. Now select this guy. And in the label here, we'll call this glass height. It's a type parameter, okay. And there we got that there now, okay. All right. So now I want to select this door grill again, square. And I want to go into my type properties here. And I want to slide over here to this little builders. So what happens here, we want to do some associated properties. So for width, we select this guy here, and these are associated properties from that other family, and we just go width and say okay here. And then for the height, same thing, height, go okay. Now for the glass height, okay, for the associated molten, let me see where, this material here, we want to change this to trim material. Okay. Now here, glass height, got them all in, yep. So the glass height, okay. Just click OK here. Now we want to go into the edit family types, edit type. Oh, I'm sorry, we got that okay. We want to go on our family types parameters here. And then for our rough height, okay, we want to go up here where it says glass height here. And want to select this parameter, and we want to call this width. Get some good space in here. Quantities, styles. Times 2, quantities, yep. I'm going to click apply here. Okay. And we'll say okay. Now we want to go in here in the wireframe so we can see what's happening here. So there it is. So I want to align this. I want to align this to this reference plane here. So I'm going to go modify, align, like this one to this one. Uh-oh. Cancel that. You gotta remember, this is where you want to go and who's going. There you go. Do it again. Where you want to go. Who's going. So there. We want to save this guy. Now let's go into our 3D view and have a look what we got here. Nope, not that 3D view, sorry. The family view here, this view. So there's our new door. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna flex it and make sure everything's working properly before we put it into our project. So I'm gonna go here to my, it's a 3044. Let's look at the smaller one, the 3080, apply. Oh yeah, love it. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. That one's good. And then we'll go with 84, apply. Okay, so now this seems to be working good. And we're gonna bring this into our project. This one. And let's just place it right there for now. There you go. So probably going to use these type of doors here for this project because the issue was we had to have some light, but let's do a few other types here. Let's go here. Oh, cancel that. It's probably running into something. Yeah, so here, okay. Let's change this one right here. We just drag it down to the And there you go. Okay, something went wrong there. Let me just undo that. But anyway, we've got our door type, so I'm gonna change this one now. We've got our 30 by 80, and then we go with the 8036, the smaller one. But hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Helps you make videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free. So we just created a custom door, and then I'm going to go ahead and knock out these floor plans, and we'll move on to the second level. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and everybody be safe. Bye.